You ever notice how some people just seem to win no matter what life throws at them? It's not luck and it's not magic. It's all about mindset. Today, I want to show you how to build a winning mindset. One that turns dreams into reality and setbacks into stepping stones. First, let's talk about setting clear goals. I'm not just talking about vague wishes like, I want to be successful. I mean getting specific. Take your goal, make it measurable, achievable, relevant, and give it a deadline. That's a smart goal. And don't let big dreams intimidate you. Break them down into bite-sized steps. Every small action gets you closer to the finish line. Now here's the game changer. Embrace a growth mindset. When you hit a wall, don't give up. See it as a lesson, not a loss. Failure, that's just feedback. Every setback is a setup for a comeback if you choose to learn from it. But let's be real, your mind can be your biggest cheerleader or your worst critic. Practice positive self-talk. Catch those negative thoughts and flip them. Replace I can't with I'm learning how. And surround yourself with people who lift you up, not drag you down. Here's a powerful habit. Visualize your success. Every day, close your eyes and picture yourself achieving your goals. See it, feel it. Imagine overcoming every obstacle in your way. Resilience is key too. Life will knock you down, guaranteed. But a winning mindset means you get back up, adapt, and keep moving. Develop ways to handle stress, meditation, exercise, talking it out. Find what works for you. Discipline and commitment are your secret weapons. Build habits that support your vision. Stick to routines, manage your time, and hold yourself accountable. Remember, motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Never stop learning. Read books, take courses, find mentors. Stay curious. The more you grow, the more you realize there's always another level to reach. And don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Every milestone matters. Reward yourself. Let those moments fuel your drive to keep pushing forward. Finally, build your tribe. Surround yourself with people who believe in your vision. Connect with mentors, join communities, and share your journey. Success is contagious when you're with the right crowd. So here's the bottom line. A winning mindset isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, one thought, one habit, one action at a time. Start today, set your goals, believe in yourself, and never stop growing. Because your mindset is the foundation of your success. Winning mindset, growth mindset, positive thinking, goal setting, resilience, continuous learning.